Let's do something Japanese today. Okonomiyaki. Okay ba? Let's start cooking. So, we will make it simpler for you to do, and instead of doing everything from scratch, ang gagamitin natin ay pancake mix. So, ito siya. Di ba usually bibili ka ng pancake na box? So, itong 250 grams ng ating pancake mix. Lalagyan natin siya ng ating water. And because it's supposed to be like an omelette, we will add 3 eggs. Para may linamnam siya, I will add oyster sauce, no? And a little bit of black pepper. And oil. Lagyan natin ng oil. And now we will add our other ingredients. Ito, sabi ko kanina, cabbage, corn. Lalagyan ko ng corn. And lalagyan natin ng konting bacon. Hello mga ka-Simple! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. Lalagyan natin ng ating bacon bits. Nice smoky flavor. Yan. And an egg in the middle. Now we will add half our butter. O, isahin na lang natin para makapal. Pero you can make 2 but I'll just make 1 for now. Gagawin na natin yung ating okonomiyaki sauce, which is so simple to do as well. Tomato ketchup, oyster sauce, honey for sweetness, tamis, a little bit of soy sauce, alat, di ba? Sobrang balance ng ating flavors. And sesame oil for some nuttiness. And we can add a little bit of black pepper para mas masarap pa. And I will sprinkle a bit of my spring onions here kasi basa pa siya, di ba? Dahil makapal yung ating pancake or yung okonomiyaki natin, it will take time to cook. Huwag mong madaliin, dapat in lang, no? Usually, hindi naman siya tinatakpan, but gawa natin sa bahay, gagawa natin ng diskarte para maluto siya ng maayos. Yan. And babalik rin na natin yung ating okonomiyaki. Flip! Again, a little bit of confidence. Yan. And it's beautiful. Look at that, no? Then, sobrang bango ng ating bacon. Yan. I think that's done. Malalaman mo siya na fully cooked siya when you press the center, it is firm, no? Pag firm yan, look at firm na siya. Sabihin, luto na siya. And we just have to slide it off to our serving plate. So simple. Look at that. Wow. Ang extra bacon ko, I will just fry. Kasi wala akong bonito flakes. Ito na lang. So while that is cooking, I will spread my homemade okonomiyaki sauce and Japanese mayo. Kung wala kayong Japanese mayo, use regular mayo. Meron akong Nori flakes. Spread natin for that Japanese flavor, di ba? And my bacon is done. Center natin yung bacon. And that's it. And kailangan ko na siyang tikman para sure tayo na masarap. Are you excited? I'm excited. Parang sarap-sarap to. Yeah. Grabe. Kaya punta na tayo sa Japan at magluto tayo ng ating okay na okonomiyaki simple. Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!